Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Hope you are doing well. My name is Hafiza Riba and I am currently studying in Medical University in the field of Doctor of Pharmacy. My favorite subject is chemistry, so today my topic is solution. First of all, what is the solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances on molecular level whose composition can vary within certain limits. A solution having two component substances known as solute and the solvent. देखो बेटा, हमारे पास एक बीकर है, ठीक है। हमने उसके अंदर वाटर डाला, वाटर क्या होगा? सॉल्वेंट होगा, ठीक है। फिर उसके अंदर हमने 2 चम्मच चीनी मतलब शुगर डाल दिया, तो वो क्या होगा? सॉल्यूट, ठीक है। जब हमने उसको मिक्स कर दिया, वो क्या हो जाएगा? सॉल्यूशन। और वो सॉल्यूशन कैसा होगा? होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, ठीक, ओके। इसी तरह अगर हम एक बीकर लेंगे, उसके अंदर हमने वाटर डाला और हमने उसमें शुगर की जगह सैंड डाल दी, ठीक है। वो सैंड क्या होगी? डिज़ोल्व हो जाएगी? नहीं होगी ना, तो वो क्या होगा? हेटेरोजेनस मिक्सचर, ठीक, ओके। व्हाट इज सॉल्यूशन एग्जाम्पल? सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सॉल्यूशन आर सॉल्ट वाटर, रबड़िंग अल्कोहल एंड शुगर डिजॉल्व इन वाटर. In our example of salt water, the solute, the solvent, this is the substances that make up the majority of the solution. This is the part where the solute is dissolved. In our example of salt water, the solvent is water. Okay, next. अब हम टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन पे आते हैं। देखो बेटा, सबसे पहले आप ये याद रखो, 3 तरह की टाइप्स होती हैं: अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन और सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। सबसे पहले हम अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। An unsaturated solution is the chemical solution in which the solute concentration is lower than its equivalent solubility. All of the solute dissolve in the solvent. When a solute, often a solid, is added to a solvent, often a liquid, two processes occur simultaneously. Okay. What is unsaturated solution example? Salt dissolve in water or even sugar dissolve in water is an unsaturated solution if in case they dissolve more amount of solute in them. Okay, what is the example of unsaturated? Adding a spoonful of sugar to a cup of hot coffee produce an unsaturated sugar solution. Vinegar is an unsaturated solution of acetic acid in water. Mist is an unsaturated but close to saturated solution of water vapor in air. What makes something unsaturated? In chemistry, the term unsaturated usually refers to one of two things. When referring to chemical solution, an unsaturated solution is able to dissolve more solute. When referring to organic compound, unsaturated means a molecules contain double or triple carbon bond. Okay. मेरा आपसे क्वेश्चन है, आर ऑयल अनसैचुरेटेड? Unsaturated fat are usually called oils. Unlike saturated fat, these oils contain mostly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat. A few food products such as coconut oil, palm oil, or whole milk remain as liquid to room temperature but are high in saturated fat. Okay, now move on saturated solution. देखो बेटा, सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन सुनो आप। सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, अ सॉल्यूशन विद सॉल्यूट दैट डिजॉल्व अंटिल इट इज़ अनएबल टू डिजॉल्व एनी मोर, लिविंग द अनडिजॉल्व सब्सटेंसेस एट द बॉटम. Unsaturated solution, a solution with less solute than the saturated solution that completely dissolve, leaving no remaining substances. Okay. What is the saturated solution in chemistry? The term saturated solution is used in chemistry to define a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. It is understood that saturation of the solution has been achieved when any additional substances that is added result in a solid precipitate or is let off as a gas. Okay. What is saturated solution example? Example of saturated solution: a soda is a saturated solution of carbon dioxide in water. Adding chocolate powder to milk so that it stops dissolving forms a saturated solution. Salt can be added to melted butter or oil to the point where the salt grains stop dissolving, forming a saturated solution. Okay. How do you make a saturated Na2CO3 solution? You dissolve it in water. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is only mildly soluble in water and can only dissolve 8 gram of it in 100 ml of water at room temperature. It increases in solubility as the temperature gets higher. If you need to dissolve large amount, just add a lot of water and then heat it up. ओके नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं हम सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Super saturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than would dissolve in a saturated solution at a given temperature. बेटा ये थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है तो इसलिए मैं आपको थोड़ा उर्दू में बता दूँ. एक हमने बीकर लिया, ठीक है, उस पर हमने वाटर डाला एज अ सॉल्वेंट, ठीक है, फिर हमने शुगर डाली 2 या 3 टेबल स्पून, ठीक है, वो हमने डिज़ोल्व करा एट हुज टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जो कि हमने सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन में करा था यूज़. ओके, वो क्या होगा, डिज़ोल्व हो जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद हमने जो है दोबारा 2 टेबल स्पून और शुगर के ऐड करें तो वो क्या होगा, डिज़ोल्व हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ करना पड़ेगा. जब हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ करेंगे तो फिर वो डिज़ोल्व होना शुरू हो जाएगा, तो फिर वो क्या कहलाएगा, सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. ओके. What is an example of supersaturated solution? A supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than what the solvent can dissolve. In case you haven't thought what a solute solvent is, a solute is the substances that it dissolve in a solution, such as salt, but no limited to salt. The most common example is the supersaturated sodium acetate. Okay. How supersaturated solution is formed? Supersaturated solution are generally prepared by dissolving your compound in heated water. If you add sugar, for example, to water at 25 degree Celsius, about 110 gram of sugar will dissolve per 100 ml of water. Any situation where more solute is dissolved than possible, it is called supersaturation. Okay, what does a supersaturation look like? Remember, a supersaturated solution will look like just like an unsaturated solution with no solute settled at the bottom. However, there is more solute than the solvent can actually hold. Any slight change to the solution will cause all of the solute to come out. Okay. ज़रा मैं आपको थोड़ा रीड करके भी बताऊँ. व्हाट इज़ सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन? अ सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन कंटेन मोर डिजॉल्व सॉल्यूट देन आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग अ सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन एंड कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हीटिंग अ सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, एडिंग मोर सॉल्यूट एंड देन कूलिंग इट जेंटली. Excess dissolved solute crystallized by seeding super saturated solution with a few crystals of the solute. For example, the object of pan boiling is the production of a fine even crop of sugar crystal, a primary condition for the attainment of this end is the maintenance of a control over the rate of crystallization during the growth. Basically, a crystal surface maintained in a solution will only grow if the concentration of the solution is maintained at a level greater than a saturation concentration. Such a solution is said to be supersaturated. Application of supersaturated solution: when a solution of a solute dissolve in a liquid solvent in a saturated, it is an thermodynamical equilibrium. Okay, in order for crystallization to occur, the state of a system must be shifted to a non-equilibrium state in which the concentration of the solute in a solution exceeds its equilibrium concentration at a given solution condition. Solutions that are in non-equilibrium state are said to be supersaturated. The simplest method to create supersaturated solution is by cooling. A solution is initially prepared at a point A. If this solution is cool, it will be saturated when it interacts the saturation line. If it is cool past the saturation line to point B, it will be supersaturated. Just because this solution is supersaturated, however, does not mean that it will immediately crystallize. Supersaturated solutions are metastable. Okay, this means that there is a free energy barrier which must be overcome for the phase transition to be overcome. The simplest and most common method for making a supersaturated solution is by cooling, but this is not the only method that can be used. There are many methods like solvent evaporation, temperature change, change in pH, chemical reaction, and alternation in solvent composition. I hope you can understand easily. Okay. Thank you so much, student, for your kind attention, and Allah Hafiz.